Well, in the previous session, we discussed the method to prepare a square root spiral using protractor and compass. In this session, we'll prepare the square root spiral for an art integrated activity without using compass and protractor. Let's see how it can be done. To make the square root spiral, we need a right angle triangle in which we can apply the Pythagoras theorem so that we can find the square roots of the natural numbers. Starting with a right angle triangle with base as 1 centimeter or 1 unit and perpendicular also 1. If I take base is equal to 1 unit and perpendicular is equal to 1 unit, what I get is then hypotenuse is the square root of 1 square plus 1 square. 1 squared is actually 1 plus 1, that gives us root 2. That means if I take the length of the base as 1 unit, also the perpendicular is 1 unit, then the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle will be root of 2. So now to make the perpendicular, we are not going to use compass this time. What we'll do is we put the set square, the vertex of the set square at the vertex P, and we align the base along this 1 centimeter line. And now we draw a line perpendicular to the base. This is perpendicular. Since this is a right angle triangle, so if I complete this right angle triangle, the length of this hypotenuse will obviously be root of 2. Now in the next step, taking this root 2 as base, we again prepare a right angle triangle with base root 2 and perpendicular again 1 unit. So what I do is I put the vertex of the set square here and I make a perpendicular on this point with length 1 unit. Alright, after making this perpendicular, let's complete this right angle triangle to get the square root of 3. As we can see, if I take root 2 as base, so root 2 square and the perpendicular is 1 unit again, so this gives me the square of root 2 is 2 plus 1, that is root of 3. Again, now this root 3 will be taken as base. We prepare a right angle triangle. To prepare the right angle triangle with perpendicular 1, again what I do is I put the vertex of the set square here and I make a perpendicular here with length 1 unit. Now root 3 square, obviously this time the square of root 3 plus 1 will give me 3 plus 1 is equal to root of 4, that is 2. So next one is root of 4, that is 2 actually. So this is root 4. Now taking root 4 as the base, we again prepare a right angle triangle with base root 4 and the length of perpendicular as 1 unit. And we join the hypotenuse. This gives us root 5. In the similar manner, at root 5, we make a perpendicular. The length of perpendicular is to be taken as 1 unit. This gives me root 6. Again, taking root 6 as base, we make a right angle triangle with the help of set square, taking base as 1 unit. So this gives us root of 6 whole square plus 1 square, that is root of 7. And in the same way, we can proceed this up to n number of square roots of natural numbers. This is again 1 and we join it to O, and using this we can get colorful square root spiral which can be used in any art integrated activity. I hope you must have enjoyed it, and now you are able to make the square root spiral without the help of compass and protractor. Thank you so much for watching.